welcome to another little video. I'm going to make this little kart. It's a pedal go-kart my daughter is using, but she's fed up with pedaling, so we're going to make it electric somehow. I've got this hoverboard that I took apart. Basically this is all the parts that come inside the hoverboard, all the balancing sensors or whatever they are, the controllers, and the very important motors, which I'm planning to put on the front somehow. So we've got these bits that were, obviously this is the one on the left, so they go there for the front wheels. I'm going to cut them and somehow mount the motors with the wheels on the front. So my goal is to somehow keep the pedaling function in case if the batteries go out, and to put another extra like a little platform here where the controls will be, so she can put her feet here and just go forward, backwards. Obviously the brake will remain if it's needed, and that's the idea. Let's see what can we do now. I'm going to start cutting this part off the hoverboard, and there was this as well, so it just basically clamps over there with 4 bolts and holds the motor in place. Let's see if it's going to succeed this time. Stay tuned. So that's what I've done. I just cut the mounts for the hoverboard wheels and I attached them to the cart. Obviously had to modify a lot of these bolts and stuff like that, but hopefully it's gonna work. This is how it looked like upside down. I'm just going to turn it the right way up now and keep going. Let's see. That's what it looks like when it's the normal way up. We've got the wheels, the hoverboard wheels mounted there. I will obviously trim that bolt. It's a bit too long. I'll probably cut on something. So that's on the front. It looks like a beast. So hopefully it's going to work. Somehow I'm going to mount a little platform here for the controllers. I will join them so both wheels go in the same time with the same speed, and the batteries will be on the back here under the seat. So let's see how it goes, and at some point I might even upgrade it to make it 4x4. If I find another hoverboard, I'll just take these two and it's gonna be 4x4 little kart. Crazy one. Well, that's it now. From this point I'm just waiting for the battery attachments to come. That is what roughly it looks like. It all turns, and I've got the accelerator here. I put this little bolt there and a spring on the other side, so it kind of doesn't go in reverse. It can only go forward, just like that. This is basically the balance board underneath, the 2 balance sensors from the hoverboard, and that's the spring that retains everything to go back in, hopefully in the middle position where it's not gonna go anywhere if there is no one pushing the pedals. I came with this idea to put the batteries. I've got 2 2V batteries, and I'm just going to put them right there in the seat. I've cut these two holes, a little window, so the cables are hanging out. I'm just waiting for the attachments to come, hopefully today, and we're going to put them right there. So in this hollow seat there will be the two chunky DeWalt batteries that will move the whole thing. And if you want to replace the batteries, it's so simple. Just take it out and then put the safety pins in, just like so. There you go. Hopefully my little one will enjoy it. Just came with this brilliant idea. There was no room on the whole cart for the batteries, so I just came with a brilliant idea to put the batteries in the seat. So I cut these two windows, and I'll show you now how I'm gonna use DeWalt batteries anyway because I've got loads. So two of them will go in. I will get proper connectors, so they just slide in, but this is just for testing purposes. And yeah, the good thing is the battery is just thick enough and it's completely hollow. So here you go. That's the rest of what I just did today. So this is the inside are the two controllers, the balance board controllers for each one. Is they're completely independent for each wheel, but I joined them so with the incline of this plate is they'll be running in the same speed, same time. Everything is just going to be done together. And I put these pedals here so my little one will have a nice ride. All the circuit boards, controllers are behind there, so you don't see them once it's all assembled. Nothing shows, but I'll show you in a bit when I fully assemble it. Well, that's the two batteries in, the two DeWalts, they're just in, and I'm going to put it on now. Big moment came, and these just being delivered. They are the adapters that will take the DeWalt batteries, the one that we've got, the very famous ones. So we've got two of these in the boxes, and they are going to be connected here in series. And we've got this little tiny window or drawer or little hole, so they will go in, and then with the batteries they will be inserted into the seat, and we'll be flying soon. Let's do that now. Right, so just got them in and I've connected them where they have to be. So this is what it looks like. They're just coming out of these boxes, and once the battery goes in, they will just be completely hidden, and I'll do that now so we can test it. So we're just putting them right here, and they should, in theory, yeah, right, so that's it. One battery is in, close the window, and then the other battery will just be clicked like that. Perfect. Okay, so this battery will go in there, just like so. And we have two batteries into the seat. No one knows about it. So they will just hopefully go there. We lock it. And now the hoverboard is already powered. Let's just see. Oh, it's working. Uh-oh. Right, okay. It's very naughty. We have to be very careful with it. Let's go and test it.
Yeah.
Right, so finally time for the test drive. We are fully equipped with everything apart of what helmet. No, you don't need a helmet. I've got a test pilot here. She's very brave, so let's see what she will do. All right. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. Hit it! Come on, hit it! Have loads of fun, come on!
Well, just to let you know, when I'm going this way, I'm more in control.
Okay, show us. Right, new set of batteries going in. These are exhausted, it does not move anymore. So,
Well, it does move a tiny bit, just really slow.
yeah, so this is how we're going to put the new batteries in.
That's me, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm holding the camera.
Okay. Let's hold one off. I'll just put it over there. Yeah, completely exhausted. Let's put the new one in. It's very tight here. Very tight. Oh, there you go. In now. We're ready to go.
Let me just turn around.
Okay. Did you try it?
Dear greetings,
Why you put your
greetings.
feet here?
Dear greetings, greetings.
You see? You need a push.
It wasn't like this last time. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ah!
I'm even faster.
Yeah! Are you recording? Can you see that? Yeah!
Dad!
I forgot to stop the trip.
That was fun, actually.
Yes, I noticed that. We need to fix the steering wheel now.
Ratings leaving money.
Right, first of all, let's check the radius. Everything all right?
Move. Everybody move.
Okay, so let's go. Hit it.
Ratings, go, mommy.
Come on.
Let it go, let it go.
Okay, mommy, come on. Push forward.
Just press the button on your steering wheel.
Oh, that's scary. Okay, what shall we do now?
Well, leave it to me. You can. Just hold this.
Do you want to ride?
Yeah. I'll ride it.
Show me how you do it. Which way do you hold that one?
Other way.
Okay.
Why should we stay here?
Let me just grab the back and I'm coming.
And tell him and my phone is on the floor there.
Mommy wants her phone. Over.
Oh, I'm coming. Over.
Did you get her phone? Did you get her phone?
I did, yes, it's here.
Over.
No.
Wow. Well, that's the lawnmower. Is it fun? Now whatever you do, keep your feet on the pedals.
But it's trying to.
I know. Now whatever you do, don't let the steering wheel go and don't lift your pedals, your feet off the pedals. Keep them down there, okay? Yeah, got it. Go. Go. Wow, that is flying.
Frame rate, resolution.
Is it cool?
Cool, yeah.
A cool toy? Maybe we can find another hoverboard and put some on the back of the hoverboard to make it 4x4. That's gonna be the next project.
Yeah, but I don't want it so. I'm just going fast for a minute.
Right, so we're on a test drive now and we found ourselves surrounded by loads of kids. They just want to rob us, they want to take the car. So I don't know what to do. But are you wanting the car? Look, they two look the same. There's another one coming. Uh-oh, mommy?